Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. The first one starts off with someone who is going to be getting a mid-length haircut. So the stylist gave the client a beautiful blunt mid-length cut. And now he's going in with the curling iron to create some texture. Absolutely stunning. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So for look number 2, we're going to see a bob haircut transformation. I love it when there is a stylist and he is extremely precise with the cutting. It's so mesmerizing to watch. Gorgeous. Looks like she also got some bangs with that one as well. And then we move on to the next hairstyle. Looks like she's going to be getting some beautiful layers with this look. Oh, absolutely gorgeous texture. I love the way the stylist did the layers. Curtain bangs in the front as well. Such a cute and modern haircut. Next up, we have a pixie haircut. Gorgeous. That was a very well structured pixie. And then we have the cutting of this bob. Alright you guys, if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.